If you are looking for a platform that combines phone calls, texting, appointment reminders, online scheduling, payments, and customer communication in one place, Weave is one of the most popular options available today. In this review, I will cover Weave's key features, pros, cons, pricing, and whether it's worth using in 2026. What is Weave? Weave is a customer communication and engagement platform designed primarily for healthcare and service based businesses. It helps businesses manage phone calls, text messages, appointment reminders, online reviews, payments, and customer interactions from a single dashboard. Key features: Business phone system. Weave include a VoIP phone system with a smart caller ID, call routing, voicemail, and call analytics. Two-way text messaging. Businesses can send and receive text messages directly from the platform, making customer communication much faster. Automated appointment reminders. Automatic reminders help reduce missed appointments and improve scheduling efficiency. Online scheduling. Customers can book appointments online without calling your business. Payments and text to pay. Weave allows businesses to send payment requests and collect payments digitally. Review management. The platform can automatically request customer reviews, helping businesses build their online reputation. Pros: easy to use interface, combines multiple communication tools into one platform, strong texting and appointment reminder features, helpful automation tools, excellent for healthcare practices and local service businesses. Cons: pricing can be expensive for smaller businesses. Some advanced features may require higher tier plans. Users occasionally report technical glitches and support issues. Best suited for healthcare related businesses rather than all industries. Pricing: Weave doesn't publicly display all pricing details, but plans typically start at several $100s per month depending on the features and business size. Higher tiers include additional automation, payment tools, and analytics. Who should use Weave? Weave is ideal for dental clinics, medical practices, veterinary clinics, optometry offices, service based businesses that handle appointments regularly. If your business relies heavily on customer communication and scheduling, Weave can save time significantly by bringing everything into one system. Final verdict: Weave is a powerful all in one communication platform that excels at customer engagement, texting appointment reminders, and payment collection. While it may be costly for some small businesses, its automation and convenience can justify the investment for healthcare practices and service based companies. Overall, I would give Weave a 4.4 out of 5. And that's my review of Weave in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments whether you have used Weave and what your experience has been. Thanks for watching and goodbye.